Mukhang hindi na nga magkakaroon ng ganitong ka-big smile si John Amores. Ang PBA player ay nasasangkot ngayon sa isang kontrobersyal. Ito'y matapos nga na mamaril sa nakainkwentro nito sa paglalaro sa basketball. Hindi ito ang kauna-unahan na maging mainit ang ulo ni John Amores, pero hindi ina-expect ng marami na hahantong ito sa ganito ang pamamaril. Yan nga ang nasabing screen grab sa video sa CCTV na nakalap sa nasabi nga pong lugar kung saan narito po ang buong detalye ng isang artikulo. Mula sa news feed update, PBA player John Amores is once again in the spotlight, this time for his involvement in a shooting incident in Lumban, Laguna. The incident reportedly followed a heated argument between Amores and a certain Lee Cacalda after a basketball game in Barangay Salak. According to a police report, Amores allegedly challenged Cacalda to a first fight during the game, saying, "Dun tayo magsuntukan." After the shooting, Amores fled in the direction of Pangsanhan, Laguna, but after surrendered to authorities. He and his brother turned themselves in around 2 a.m. on Thursday, reportedly due to concerns for their safety. According to Police Major Bob Luis Ortiz, Amores cited receiving threats as a reason for his surrender. Nag-voluntary surrender po siya sa ating station at dahil nagkakaroon ng threat sa kanilang buhay, said Ortiz, explaining that both Amores and his brother feared for their security. Amores now faces charges of attempted murder and an inquest proceeding is scheduled. He has declined to comment on the incident. This is not Amores' first brush with controversy. In 2022, while playing for Jose Rizal University, he was involved in another violent incident. Amores went on a rampage during a National College Athletic Association or NCAA game, punching a player from the College of St. Vinild, which led to his indefinite suspension from the league. The latest incident raises more questions about the player's temper and ability to control his emotions during confrontations. At narito nga ang latest update dahil ang ina ng di umano ay dapat nagagawa ng hindi maganda na itong si John Amores ay sumugod sa nasabi nga pong istasyon ng pulis kung saan naroon itong si John. Mula sa People's Tonight Facebook page, sumugod agad ang ina ng 32 anyos na lalaking biktima na pinatutukan ng baril ng PBA player na si John Amores na si Shirley Cacalda nitong Huwebes, September 26. Itutuloy umano ni Shirley ang kaso laban sa basketballista at sa kapatid niya. Nakalagay doon, nakakauwi lang ng anak ko galing barko. 5 araw pa lang dito yan sa halagang 4,000. Papatayin niya ang anak ko, hindi ako papayag. Well, anong masasay nyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.